how to fix USB and USB-C ports not working on Windows 11. So if you're plugging in a USB flash drive, external hard drive, or some kind of cable into your Windows 11 PC and absolutely nothing happens, or Windows throws a device not recognized error, don't worry. Most of the time, this is caused by a corrupted controller drivers or Windows power settings turning off the ports. So I'll show you how to fix these unresponsive USB ports. So first, let's reset the drivers that control your physical ports. So right click on Start, open up Device Manager. It's going to be this window right over here. And here, guys, we need to search for, we'll go to the bottom and search for Universal Serious Bus Controllers right here and expand this with this arrow. Right, and then, guys, you need to right click on USB Root Hub right here. Okay, so just right click and then choose Uninstall Device right here. Also, guys, if you have some kind of little arrow, not an arrow, like an icon, like a yellow icon or red icon next to your root hub or any other USB device, you definitely need to do that on it, right? So as you can see, mine are just normal, right, just black. So this pretty much means that all of my USB ports are functional and operational. None of them are faulty or something. But in your case, if you have any icons, you just do this, right click and uninstall. And then, guys, once you do this, you need to go to Action right here and then click Scan for hardware changes, like this. It's going to scan all of your devices and you will see that everything should be working. Right, and now if resetting the drivers did not bring your ports back to life, Windows power saving features might be disabling them. So while still inside Device Manager, right click the USB root hub here, then you go to Properties, then you go to Power Management, and in here you will have the first button, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Untick this, always. And then just go and do the same on all of them. Okay, like this. So just go through them all, right? Let me actually check mine if mine are fine. Okay. Oh, there you go. As you can see, I already had one that's having this, so good for me. And last one. All right. And disable power saving for all of them. And that is it. Try these fixes, guys. If you enjoy our videos, don't forget to subscribe.